Welcome to the video lecture series of Theory of Computation. Today we are going to understand about the regular grammar and the conversion from regular grammar to finite automata and finite automata to regular grammar. I am your instructor Poonam Patel. Let's start to understand this concept. So first of all, what is a regular grammar? If all the productions of a CFG are of the form A derives small w capital B or A derives small w, where w is belongs to a terminals. So w belongs to T star, it means that it may contain an empty string, and A, capital B are non-terminal. So then we have said that the given grammar form is a right linear grammar. And if all the productions of the CFG are of the form of A derives capital B, A small w, and A derives small w, where A, capital B are non-terminal and small w belongs to a terminals. T star, small w belongs to a T star. So this given grammar is a left linear grammar. So if a right linear grammar or left linear grammar are said to as a regular grammar. So we can say that a regular grammar is either a left linear grammar or a right linear grammar. As we know, the regular expressions can be represented by a regular grammar. So as we know, the we can construct the finite automata from the regular expression. So we can construct the finite automata from the regular grammar, and we can convert the finite automata to the regular grammar also. Now let us understand this concept by using the example. So what is the right linear grammar? It means that if you see, what is the right linear grammar? So if you see in this productions, so either it contain a terminals only. If it is contained a non-terminal, it will be appear on the right hand side of this terminals. So the position of this non-terminal is right hand side of this terminals. So this is like this, small a, capital B, like this. Can we say that this is a left linear grammar? Maybe. Yes, it is a left. If you see the position of non-terminal is right hand side. Can we say this grammar is right linear grammar like this? A, B, C? No, because it appears in middle. Okay. Can we say that this grammar is ABC, small ABC? Yes. Terminals are allowed. A derives null? Yes. Okay, null. Yes, it is allowed. Now the difference in a left linear grammar, right linear grammar, the position of the non-terminal on the right hand side. So if it is appear on the right hand side of this term, it means that it is a right linear grammar. If it is appear on the left side like this, BE, so it is a left side of this term, terminus. This is the terminus combinations. And if non-terminal appears on the left side of the terminus combination on the right hand side production, you can say that this is the left linear grammar. Now we have understand how to convert the finite automata to a regular grammar. So always remember, if a finite automata is given, we can directly construct the regular right linear grammar. Okay. So here I have taken the example of it. So here, this is my finite automata is given. Now I want to write down the regular grammar. It means that right linear grammar. Always remember, we can directly convert the finite automata to a right linear grammar always. Okay. So as you know, for this grammar, A is our start state, B is our final state, start state, final state. Okay. So the state are represented as a non-terminals in a grammar. Always remember, this is our non-terminals, and input is represented as our terminals. So what are the input for this finite automata? Small ab. Okay, and the start state of the finite automata is considered as a start symbol. So what is the start symbol? Is A. For our grammar, A is our start symbol. So here you can see, we have to first write down the production for a A. So you can see A, from A, there are one transition is given. So from state A, input is given A, it moves to state B. So which input is given over here? From state A, it is A input. So input is, you have to over here. Now which state it moves? It moves state B. So you have to write down over here like this. Now there is no any other Input is given from a state A, so we have completed the production for a E. Now we have to move the state B. Now we have to write down the production for a B. So there are two non-terminals, so we have to write down the production for A, production for B. Now B contains two transitions for input A, input B. So it contains two productions. So first we have to write down the production for A. Okay, so from state B on a given input A, which state it moves? B. So B, it means that it contains a self loop. And the input B, it moves the same state, so B. Now remember this, the states which contain a final state, it always contains a null production. So we have to add the null production for the final state over here. Okay, so this is the way we can convert the given finite automata to the right linear grammar. So now next, suppose I want to convert the finite automata to left linear grammar. So for the converting finite automata to left linear grammar, we have to follow some steps. So here are the steps. First, we have to reverse the finite automata. After reversing the finite automata, we have to write down the right linear grammar for that. And step number 3 last, we have to reverse that right linear grammar. Now how we are going to perform that, we will see over here by using the example. So here the finite automata is given. Okay. So for converting finite automata to left linear grammar, so this is the process. First, what we are going to do? First, reverse the FA. Now, what is the meaning of reverse? Reverse means we have to perform two things. The first is make final state as the initial state, and vice versa, make initial state as a final state. It means that in this FA, A is our initial state, so we have to make this state as a final state. Okay, this is removed. And B is a final state, it means that we have to remove this final state and make a state as a B, like this. B, initial state, it is our initial state, and initial state is our final state, like this. Double circle, like this. Now next thing is reverse the directions. So here if you see, this direction is going from A to B. So what we are going to do, we have to reverse means direction is going to from B to A. Now again C is appeared. Now direction is moved from A to C. We have to move this. Okay. Now input is as it is. We have to write down over here A, B. Now self loop is as it is. We have to always like this. Self loop is always same as it is. There is no change in self loop. No direction change in self loop because it is move the same state. Now we have to check, is there any unreachable state? So if you see, from state B we can move to a state A, but from a state A we cannot move further any state. Okay, so we can see that from state B I cannot reach this state. It means that this is an unreachable state, so we have to remove it. So this is the portion that we have to remove it. So what we are going to do, first take the reverse of FA and check whether there is an unreachable state. If it is, we have to remove the state, unreachable state, and this unreachable states transitions also, related transition also, like this. So we have to remove these portions. So here you can see, so this is the our reverse FA. Now we have to write down the right linear grammar. Always remember, whenever you are writing down the grammar from the finite automata, it is always right linear. As we know how we are going to write down the grammar. So here B, self loop AB, B. Now next, this is a B derives A and it is moved to the state A. Okay, and A is our final state, like this we can write down. This is the right linear grammar, and but we have to write down the left linear grammar, so we have to reverse this productions. It means that we have to reverse this right linear grammar. So reverse means we have to write down the reverse production of this, like B, this is production are same like this, but we have to write down this reverse. So B, A, capital B first, small b, capital A, small a, and null, like this. So in this way we can convert this finite automata to left linear. So process is first reverse given FA, reverse the FA, then write down the right linear grammar, and then reverse the right linear grammar, which is our left linear grammar. Now next is conversion from a regular grammar to a finite automata. So here I have converting the right linear grammar to a finite automata. So this is my right linear grammar. Now I have to construct the finite automata from the right linear grammar. So two non-terminals as, okay, it means that I have two state A. Okay, we have to write down this state. Now as is our start symbol. Okay, the first production, always remember here, the first productions, the contain the left hand side non-terminal is a start symbol over here. So as A, now use the productions and create the finite automata. So here you can see A state inputs small, okay, always remember the small terminals are considered as an input for the finite automata. So from state A as A, it moves to the A state. So we have to write down like this transition. Okay, it is completed. Now move on the A productions. So from state A, for giving input A, small a, it moves the A state C. So it means it contains a small self loop. Now if you see this production, this A derives small a, it contains only terminals. For this production, what we are going to do? So for this production, we have to add a new state which is a final state. Okay, and for this, which input we have to consider over here? A. It means that for this production, it moves the final state. So in this way, we can generate the FA from a given right linear grammar. Now we will see how to generate the finite automata from the left linear grammar. So we have to follow the some step. First reverse the grammar of left linear grammar, construct the FA, and then reverse the FA. Now let me see how we will construct the FA. So here I have taken the example of like left linear grammar. You can see that non-terminal appear on the left hand side of this term. Okay, like this term. Okay, right hand side of this productions, non-terminal appear left hand side of this terms, like this term. Okay, so first we are reverse this grammar. Reverse means we have to only write down the production in reverse manner. A, like this. A derives capital A, small a, derives B. Okay, then this is the reverse grammar. Then we have to construct the FA that we have already discussed in a previous slide. So as A, so for this productions, as from state A, input A, it moves A productions, it moves the same state. So this contains a self loop for this A. Now A derives B, it means that it moves to the final state. Okay, now we are going to reverse the FA. So here you can see how to reverse the FA. It means that make a final state as an initial state, make initial state as a final state, and reverse the direction that we have already discussed in the previous slides. So here this is the reverse of FA. So we can say that this is the finite automata generated from the left linear grammar. I hope this concept is clear to you. Thank you all.